हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब? आज हम इस वीडियो में एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स डिस्कस करेंगे। एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स डिस्कस करने से पहले आपने डिफरेंशिएशन डेरिवेटिव्स पढ़ा है पिछले चैप्टर में, चैप्टर 5 में। सो इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस application of derivatives. What is derivatives? What is differentiation? You have studied in chapter 5th. In this topic, first topic is rate of change of quantities. Rate of change, differentiation, that is dy upon dx. It means differentiation of y, derivatives of y with respect to x बोलते हैं इसको dy upon dx. It means change in y with respect to x. Change in y with respect to x, it means dy upon dx. That is, when change x, then what is the change in y? This is called dy upon dx. That means y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Y depend on x, so we differentiate dy upon dx. This is called change in y with respect to x. And in earlier classes, means 9th 8th 10th, आपने पढ़ा होगा वेलोसिटी. वेलोसिटी मीन्स velocity equals to dx upon dt. It means rate of change in displacement. Rate of change in displacement with respect to time. Rate of change with respect to time. This is differentiation of x with respect to t. So this is called रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ क्वांटिटीज. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू हमें ये देखना है कि किसके रिस्पेक्ट में हमें रेट ऑफ चेंज निकालना है, उसी के रिस्पेक्ट में आपको डिफरेंशिएशन करना है. डिफरेंशिएशन जैसे आप करेंगे तो वो रेट ऑफ चेंज मिल जाएगा. तो इस पे बेस्ड आपका 6.1 में क्वेश्चन है. 2-4 क्वेश्चन करते हैं, समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. आवर फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ ए सर्कल पर सेकेंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू इट्स रेडियस r when r equals to 5 centimeter. So in this example, we have to find the rate of change of the area with respect to radius. With respect to radius, that means differentiation of area with respect to radius. Since we know that area of circle is pi r square, area circle of pi r square, where r is radius, then differentiation of a with respect to r is pi constant r square. Differentiation of r square is 2r, that is 2 pi r. But we have to find radius at radius r equals to 5 centimeter. Then dA upon dr at r equals to 5. So put r equal 5, 2 pi into 5, that is 10 pi. Here unit is important. Centimeter square, area and radius. That means change in area with respect to radius. तो area की यूनिट क्या होती है? सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एंड रेडियस के लिए यूनिट क्या होती है? सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेंटीमीटर. और अगर हम इसको पर सेकंड की बात करें तो सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड हम यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ सेकंड एग्जांपल. Our second example is the volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 9 cubic centimeter per second. 9 cubic centimeter per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 10 centimeters? तो आपको given क्या है? What is given? Rate of change in volume 9 cubic centimeter per second. That is dV upon dt. dV upon dt equal 9 cubic centimeter per second. And what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube. Let x is the side of cube. Side of cube. Therefore, volume of cube is x cube. Then dv upon dt means differentiation of v with respect to t. Change in volume with respect to time t. That is 3x square. X differentiation of x cube is 3x square and differentiation of x is dx upon dt. Here change with respect to t, so dx upon dt. Now this given 9 centimeter cube, 9 equals to 3x square into dx upon dt. Therefore dx upon dt equal 3 upon x square. Now given that x when s is 10 centimeter, that is dx upon dt when x equal 10 centimeter, that is 3 upon 10 square, that is 0.03 dx upon dt, that is centimeter per second. So unit is centimeter per second. dx, x inside T for time, the side upon time, that is centimeter per second. So 0.03 centimeter per second. But in this we have to find in change in area. Since we know that area of cube is 6x square. So ds upon dt is 12x dx upon dt. And we get dx upon dt 0.03, 12x is 10 and dx upon dt is 0.03. Then multiply by this, 12 3 is 36, 3.6. ds for area, centimeter square, t time, centimeter square per second. So ds upon dt means change in area is 3.6 centimeter square per second. Example 3. A stone is dropped into a quick lake. A stone is dropped into a quick lake and waves move in a circle at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circle wave is 10 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? In these questions, a stone is dropped into a quick lake. Quick lake means जो lake में water था उसमें हम एक stone को drop करते हैं तो waves बनती है. Waves, we know that waves are in circular shape. So waves becomes like that. And this speed of increasing in radius is dr upon dt. Rate of change in radius is 4 centimeter per second is given. And we have to find rate of change in area when radius is 5 centimeter. It means radius increase हो रही है, increase होते होते 10 centimeter जब होगी, ये जो rate यहाँ पे इस केस में जो rate of change in area होगा वो आपको find करना है. तो since waves in form of circle, so area of circle is pi r square and change in radius is given with respect to time. So differentiate with respect to t. dA upon dt equals to pi r squared, that is 2r, and dr upon dt. Pi is constant, differentiation of r square is 2r, and with respect to t, so dr upon dt. Now dA upon dt at r equals to 10 centimeter. So 2 pi r is 10 and dr upon dt is 4. So 80 pi, and unit will be area and time, so centimeter square per second. Therefore, in change of area is 80 pi centimeter per second. Now we will discuss direct question number 8. Since up to question number 7 you can do very well. So question number 8. Question number 8 is a balloon which always remains spherical of inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increase when the radius is 15 centimeter. तो given क्या है अपने को? In this question given that rate of change in area is dA upon dt is 900 cubic. Rate of change in volume is 900 cubic centimeter per second. Here unit is cubic centimeter, so rate in change is volume. And find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increased when the radius is 15 centimeter. तो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? रेडियस में चेंज dr upon dt फाइंड करना है when r equals to 15 centimeter. Since we know that volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dv upon dt is 4 by 3 pi and r cube 3r square dr upon dt. Now put the value 900 equals to cancel 3 4 pi r square dr upon dt. Now dr upon dt is 900 upon 4 pi r square when r is 15 centimeter. So put the value of r, 4 pi r is 15 square equals to 15 square is 2 to 5, multiply by 4 is 900, so cancel, only pi बचेगा, 1 upon pi dr upon dt, that is centimeter per second. So rate of change in radius is 1 upon pi or 7 by 20 is centimeter per second. Now question number 10. Question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is hanging against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. So in this question, a ladder is given 5 meters long, leaning against wall. Let this is ladder 5 meters and leaning against a wall. This is ground. Let this x meter and this y meter. Since this is a right angle triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem, we know that x square plus y square equals to 5 square. And what is given? Given this, that this point is increasing or from the point this away from this speed dx upon dt, that is 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second, given that 4 from the wall, away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. What is the find? How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? That is when x equal 4. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? हाइट में क्या चेंजेस हो रहा है? दैट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड dy अपॉन dt व्हेन x इक्वल्स टू 4 मीटर. इट मींस जब हम इसको इस तरफ पुल करेंगे तो ये जो हाइट है वो क्या होगी? डिक्रीज होगी. तो डिक्रीजिंग रेट अपने को फाइंड करनी है कि व्हाट इज द डिक्रीजिंग रेट ऑफ हाइट. सिंस x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 5 स्क्वायर, सो डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t. With respect to t, why with respect to t? Since given that dx upon dt, so we have to find dy upon dt in with respect to time. So x square, difference of x square is 2x, and with respect to t, so dx upon dt plus y square is 2y with respect to t, that is dy upon dt, and 25 is constant, so 0. Now put the value of x. X is 4. Given that x is 4 and dx upon dt is 2 plus 2y. What is y? Since x equal 4, put in equation 1. Therefore 4 square plus y square equal 5 square. Therefore y equal 3. From this equation y equal 3. So put y equal 3 and dy upon dt we have to find 0. So dy upon dt is equals to minus 8 upon 3 centimeter per second. dy upon dt minus 8 upon 3, but we will find decreasing rate. So decreasing rate is minus 8 by 3 when x equals to 4. Decreasing rate is 8 by 3 and increasing rate is minus 8 by 3. So यहाँ पे अपने को ध्यान रखना, अगर आपने माइनस साइन डाल दिया इट मीन्स दिस इज इंक्रीजिंग रेट, और अगर माइनस हटा दिया तो हम लिखेंगे डिक्रीजिंग रेट. सो डिक्रीजिंग रेट इज 8 by 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Question number 11 is a particle moves along the curve 6y equal x cube plus 2. A particle moves along the curve 6y equal x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. In this question given that a particle moves along the curve 6y equal x cube plus 2. Let this curve is like that. And the change in y coordinate is equals to 8 times x coordinate. Find the point coordinate of the point. Suppose that this is point P where this condition follows. That is, let point P is x1, y1. At that point dy upon dt equals to 8 dx upon dt. Now differentiate this with respect to t. Differentiation of 1 with respect to t. So d6 dy upon dt equal 3x square dx upon dt plus 2 is constant, so differentiation is 0. Now put the value of dy upon dt equal 8 dx upon dt. So 8 dx upon dt equal 3x square dx upon dt. Now dx upon dt is cancelled out and 3 2 are 6, then x square equals 16, so x equal plus minus 4. And plus minus 4 put in 1, we get y equal, when put plus 4, 4 cube 64 plus 2 66 divided by 6 11, that is 11, and minus 4 minus 64 plus 2 minus 62 upon 6, that is minus 31 upon 3. So points Points is plus 4, 11 and minus 4, minus 31 by 3. These 2 points are on the curve 1 where dy upon dt equals to 8 times of dx upon dt. Question number 14. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand form a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? Yes, in this question, given that a sand is pouring from a pipe, since you know that from a pipe pouring sand, then there is a shape of a conical shape. So sand जो है वो conical shape में गिर रही है और आपको गिवन है कि उसका जो वॉल्यूम है वो चेंज हो रहा है 12 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड एंड हाइट लेट हाइट इज y and radius is x. Let height is y and radius is x centimeter. So height equals to 1/6 of radius, that is 6x upon 6. Therefore x equal 6y. In this question given that dv upon dt, so since we know that v equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square. R is x and h is y. So therefore put the value of x equals 6y. 6y square, this is 36 by 3, 12 pi y cube. The volume is cone is 12 pi y cube. Therefore dv upon dt is 12 pi y cube. Differentiation of y cube is 3y square with respect to t dy upon dt. 36 pi y square dy upon dt. Given that dv upon dt is 12, so put the value of this 12. Therefore dy upon dt equals to 1 upon 3 pi y square. Or find the dy upon dt means rate of change in height when height is 4 centimeter. Therefore put the y equals to 4. We get 1 upon 48 pi. Therefore unit is height and time centimeter per second. The 1 upon 48 centimeter per second is rate of change in height. Thank you. And exercise 6.1 remaining questions you will do easily. Thank you.